Welcome back to the Random Vids channel. In this video, I'll swap out this horn that is on this bike for this electric horn. As you can see, this horn doesn't sound very good. So the first thing I'll do is take off this horn. So because I'm putting on a car horn, I figured I might as well take off these handlebars. They're kind of rusty. And I'll put on a steering wheel. I got this off of an old clothes rack. So I'll just put that on there instead. And then this seat is all chewed up. So I'll put on a new seat also. So I think what I'm going to do is cut the handlebars here, cut in here, bend both handlebars in, weld a nut in the middle of them, and then put this on, and I should be able to put the bolt through here and tighten it down. So let's do that. Okay, so first I'll take off the brake. Got that part off. Now I just need to take off this part. So now I'll cut off this cross piece. Now I'll be able to bend these in. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and weld that on. Okay, that's good enough. Now, I'll put the steering wheel on. Put too much weld on. So now I'm going to have to grind some of this off. Okay, hopefully that fits. Haha, perfect. Wow. Okay, that is a perfect fit. Awesome. Okay. Ugh. Slightly big, but that's cool. Okay, so now that I got that working, I'll start fixing up this electric horn. So I've got this little adapter for the Milwaukee M12 battery. And then a little momentary switch. And I'll put this in the center of the steering wheel. So this is the bolt I'm using to secure the steering wheel to the bike. And this 1-inch rubber foot fits perfectly on top. So that's where I'm going to put this little switch. Right inside there. So I need to secure this to the front of the bike and then secure the battery also. So let's do that. Okay, so to attach the horn, I'll stick a bolt through here so that it's almost tight, thread a nut onto this end, and then to tighten it up, I'll just screw it in so it'll be on the bike frame. There we go. Doesn't even interfere with the wheel. Awesome. Now, I just need to hook up the electrical, so I'll punch a hole in this so the button can go through. Okay, so now I drilled a hole through this. So now the push button can fit in here, and that'll be right in the center of the steering wheel. So now I need to secure this onto the bike. I'll probably just use zip ties because that'll be easy. Okay, like so, and then I'll just do that for all 4 of them. Okay, so now I have these which go in here. Okay, so the black wire I'm going to wire directly to the horn. The red wire I'm going to wire directly to the switch, and then I'll wire the switch to the horn. So that the switch is in between the horn and the battery, to prevent the horn from going off constantly, which would not be pleasant. I'll need a jumper wire to bring the wire from the battery up to there, and another one to bring it back down to the horn. And I'll put this on. Now I'll attach the connectors. Now I'll change the seat real quick. So this is the old seat, and this is the new seat. Oh yeah. And I'll use the same stem just because I'm lazy and I don't want to go get another one. Ah, beautiful. Okay, so now it's all set. I just need to put the steering wheel on, bolt it down, and then set this on top of the bolt, and plug in the battery. So now, I'll plug it in real quick and test it, and then I'll take it outside. Whoa! That's a pretty good upgrade from this. Yeah, I think this one's a little bit better. So now I'll take it outside. Okay, so now that it's outside, I'll put the steering wheel on. There we go. All set to go. How you like my bike? Got a horn. Got a car horn. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Come on. You serious? Bugger. Oh, yay. Everything is dropping. Okay, I know what I'm going to do. I'll use the same thing, except I'll work backwards. There was that. I almost dropped it, but instead I threw it.